true net worth is in the fact, and you'll hear this when we have the conversation, it seems like nothing has changed for this gentleman. ये आपकी सबसे बड़ी खासियत है सर, कि आप देखते हैं फोर्ब्स लिस्ट में आपका नाम कहाँ पर है?
नहीं, thank you Tamanna, and I must congratulate the NDTV, Rahul Kanwar, what a show he has created, and all the foreign delegates who has come all the way to come to New Delhi, especially on Diwali time, our newest time, very, very auspicious. So it's an amazing, got an opportunity to speak to NDTV, which was the only TV all over the world. I've been away for a long time. For us, access to the news or to India was only NDTV, and last few years, it has grown to the different heights. So I wish everybody, NDTV, hardworking, to take it at different level. So, but no, I'm just a boy from Bihar. Didn't know anything. तुम्हारा नाम के साथ चल रहे थे, खाली तमन्नाएं थी कि कुछ करना है लाइफ में। कभी प्लेन में नहीं बैठे, डबल डेकर बस खाली टीवी में देखते थे, फिजिकल देखी नहीं थी। सो ये सपने थे। अभी भी याद है जब बम्बई स्टेशन पे वीटी स्टेशन इतना बड़ा देखा तो जर्नी चलती चली गई। बिहार के, ओरिजिनली हम राजस्थान से हैं, हम राजस्थान वाले कोने कोने में देश भर में चले गए। उसके बाद पटना में ही बड़े हुए। आई हैव गॉन टू बॉम्बे, एंड बॉम्बे इज अ प्लेस वेयर देयर इज नोबडी who has the idea, who want to do something. I am experiencing, because whatever I am today, from Bihar, from the Bombay, nobody recognized me in the Bombay. I wanted to grow. For that purpose, to raise the money, I've gone abroad, raised a lot of money, bring it to India. So it's amazing. I enjoy it. Somebody has to tell me I have this age, but still youth, want to do something, keep doing something. So thank you.
Sir, what an amazing answer. और जो आपका पहला लाइन था वो एक्चुअली सही है। आई एम अ बॉय फ्रॉम बिहार। मैं इसलिए कह रही हूँ कि आपने फ्लैशबैक दी है आपकी स्टोरी की, but people who track what your company is doing and what the group is doing know that you are on the edge of a very exciting new phase coming in. You're looking at semiconductors, you're looking at a new age technology, and you have the vantage point of India's resources right now. हम बात कर रहे हैं धनतेरस के दिन, और एक गाना है, इस देश की धरती सोना उगले। इस देश की धरती जो चांदी उगल रही है, आपको पता नहीं होगा, 90% of it is mined by Hindustan Zinc, and right now चांदी की शॉर्टेज है। तो कितनी माइनिंग चल रही है सर?
आपने जो बोला उसके ऊपर मैं बोलता हूँ, गाना तो आपने गा ही दिया।
नहीं, गाना तो आपको गाना है।
दिया है जान भी देंगे हे वतन तेरे लिए। इंडिया 140 करोड़ों का मुल्क, हर परिवार, हर लोग देखते हैं। जो आपकी एनडीटीवी दिखा रही है, फ्यूचर क्या है, हर आदमी का सपना है मेरे बच्चे अच्छे पढ़ें, मेरा घर पक्का हो, मेरे घर में टीवी हो, स्कूटी हो। स्कूल में पढ़ाना बच्चों को, कॉलेज में पढ़ाना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। हर तरह की जो वो देखता है उसको चाहिए। आज उनके पास पेशेंस नहीं है, और ये मोदी जी की गवर्नमेंट है, उन्होंने उसको सपना भी दिखा रहे हैं कि हम करा के देंगे, ये होके रहेगा। और इसके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, जो हमने देखा है कि हिंदुस्तान जो 10वें लेवल पे था, आज 4th लेवल पे है इन द वर्ल्ड। what you see is every day transforming. There is nothing can happen without India presence in the world. So this is the time. I have always remained in my one business and one business below the ground. I always believe that world has come up that whether you call it America, we just been hearing the minister from Australia, South America, Europe, Middle East, all have come up because of below the ground. We have been told for decade by decade, no, don't dig your ground. And we become the import dependence. I keep remembering last 30 years only one thing. Only way to move forward, only way to come forward to produce your own oil and gas, to produce own gold, own silver, copper, zinc, fertilizer, anything you talk about is below the ground. And today, as the whole world is talking about below the ground, critical metal, oil and gas, I feel very fortunate that जो मुहिम मैंने पर्सनली छेड़ी और आज के वातावरण में जो गवर्नमेंट है, जो सेल्फ सर्टिफिकेशन है, जो इंकरेजमेंट है, I always remain and I still believe that the important thing, whatever one line somebody choose, you keep on going on the same line. And this is what I'm also looking.
Sir, but what is your understanding of why gold and silver prices are skyrocketing right now? Is it a sign of distress in the global economy? क्योंकि ये safe assets कहलाते हैं.
No, something is, there is a shortage because not many mines has come up and people in general has got income and they want to invest more in the gold. Gold was not reachable and then the silver has catch up. Whether after the copper has catch up, we never used to hear in America talking about the copper and the critical metal. That's the first priority. So this is a very interesting story. You know, in our mind, we always find last 25 years there is a patches of silver. And I find that nobody is producing silver in this country. And I'm a geologist, I look at every time there is a patches of silver. How can we separate this? How can we separate this? And trust me, I personally work for it. And today we could separate 60% of silver, which were going to invest, we could save. Today, half of the silver requirement of the country we are fulfilling. Going to be more and more. It's a time when government is saying that the natural resources is opening up. It's a question of big boys. You have to bring big boys. Unless the big boys come from these sector, they take the risk, they have to create an infrastructure, they have to do big. And today what we see in the country, you know, wherever we all have aligned, somebody is in the telecom, somebody is in the natural resource, somebody is a different kind of business, infrastructure, we all are aligned. And for us, the one target, how can we look at our India and see the kind of growth each of companies are doing? On the basis of that, the amount of new companies are coming. You know, the startup, the hub of startup is India.
Sir, you said a very interesting thing. You said your business is below the ground. The world is learning about the importance of natural resources, but the world is also celebrating what's in the cloud. AI is creating the most value across global markets. India is not there yet. We don't have an NVIDIA. We are getting there. Semiconductors में आप भी आ रहे हैं. लेकिन क्या ये समय है ये भी सोचने का कि AI के साथ साथ जो resources है below the ground वो भी जरूरी है?
Both are together. Without cloud, without technology, without this, how will know? Otherwise, dig the whole world. With this technology, with AI technology, what we used to dig 10 kilometers, now we have to dig only half kilometer. Because the AI, what they give, the technology, what they give, the cloud, what they give. And to tell you, if you look at, whether you go to America or any of the countries, who are the people behind? The people mind behind is India, Indian people. There is nobody, whatever geopolitics talk about, but today the Indian women, Indian youngster, Indian mindset is a natural DNA where they are together with the technology. And that's what is happening now. What opportunity has come? What opportunity has come that we have some restriction, whatever you call it, our Indian boys, young people to stay back. And now they are bubbling. What they wanted to do, go outside and do it, now they will do it here.
आप H1B वीजा की बात कर रहे हैं? नहीं, ये आपदा में अवसर, इस थीम पर थोड़ी बात करते हैं, क्योंकि अब स्वदेशी की लहर जाग उठी है आफ्टर एवरीथिंग दैट्स हैपनिंग जियोपॉलिटिकली फ्रॉम अराउंड द वर्ल्ड इज लुकिंग इनवर्ड्स, ईच नेशन वांट्स टू लुक इनवर्ड्स. हाउ डू यू लुक एट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर इंडिया?
No, India definitely look at inward, but हमने कई बार सुना है हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी को बोलते हुए वसुधैव कुटुंबकम. हम लोग अपने देश को तो देखते ही हैं, बट हम लोग सबको साथ में भी लेके चलते हैं. सब हम आप देखिए, आप किसी देश में चले जाइए, किसी लोगों से बात कर लीजिए. मैं भी हिंदुस्तान से बाहर गया. क्यों गया? मेरे को यहाँ पैसे नहीं मिल रहे थे. बैंक में जाओ तो 1 करोड़ देवे, 2 करोड़ देवे. मेरे को बिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर चाहिए थे. यहाँ वहाँ पे मेरे को मौका लगा, उसको मैं लेके आया. सो आई कैन टेल यू, इट इज नॉट दैट वी इंडियंस, वी आर ओपन माइंडेड, वी गो आउटसाइड. एट द सेम टाइम व्हाटएवर लहर जो चली है उससे इंडिया को ही फायदा होने वाला है. थोड़ा पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा, लेकिन इंडिया को ही फायदा होगा.
ऐसा आप क्यों कह रहे हैं? इंडिया को क्यों फायदा होगा? बिकॉज यू नो वी थिंक दिस इज वेरी ऑब्वियस, बट व्हाट इज योर एनालिसिस? हाउ डू यू थिंक इंडिया इज प्लेस्ड इन अ स्वीट स्पॉट राइट नाउ व्हेन द वर्ल्ड इज स्टिल ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट व्हाट्स हैपनिंग? देयर आर मेनी चैलेंजेस. देयर इज टेक्नोलॉजी, देयर इज ड्विंडलिंग पॉपुलेशन. कई देशों में पॉपुलेशन बढ़ ही नहीं रही है. हमारा क्या एडवांटेज है?
You already replied. I can tell you one thing. I'm a geologist. Again, I'm saying the world's best reserve is in India, gold. We don't produce even a kilo. The best reserve of diamond is also in India. The oil and gas, the kind of patches I see is in India. Whether you call deep sea, whether the first oil was discovered in Assam, in Dibrugarh, Digboy. The time has come where people are way more comfortable. People have been looked at very different eyes. It takes some time. This is the time which thing will change in India. The per GDP income will increase. Today the biggest shortage is the human resources. Manpower is not available. And we have all this. So I am very optimistic. Government, the kind of policy being changed, it requires more policy, more trust will come to the entrepreneur, more trust will come to the business people, more comfortable they will be, the output will be tremendous.
आपने बात की स्टार्टअप्स की, आपने बात की उन यंगस्टर्स की जिनको अब या तो बाहर जाने का मौका नहीं मिल रहा है. वैसे हम बता दें, अगर एक देश ने बंद कर दिया तो और 4 देश खड़े हो गए कि आप यहाँ आइए. तो इंडियन टैलेंट की वो डिमांड है.
लेकिन आप मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता, 7 लाख बच्चे पढ़ने जाते हैं. हिंदुस्तान में इतनी जबरदस्त पोटेंशियल है. मैं तैयार हूँ. मैं अपने धन का सारा जितना आप बोलेंगे हम लगा सकते हैं. सारी दुनिया में जो यूनिवर्सिटीज बनी हैं, हाउ द अमेरिका हैज बिल्ट because of their universities. 35 universities being built by the industrialists. What we require it better a Boston city to be created, where we give education to our people, probably half the price, 1/4 of the price. The inflow of the people, this is whatever is happening. I can tell you, every big houses, and the government start thinking, how can we create a research center, a Ivy League stadium, a complete university. Every business house is start thinking. And this is sometime when we find this kind of situation comes, is people start thinking. And today this is a very, very good time where government and the business, without business, nothing will run. Economic and politics goes together. And most important thing is economic development. And now we are aligning. And with this alignment, see how things will change.
आपने कहा मैं तैयार हूं, इस पर आप बताइए। एनडीटीवी वर्ल्ड समिट के मंच पर आपने बताया कि जरूरत है दैट वी हैव अ वर्ल्ड क्लास एजुकेशनल सिस्टम। क्या थॉट है आपकी?
जो आज भी यूनिवर्सिटियां बहुत बनी हैं, बट द काइंड ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर वी आर लुकिंग एट, इट इज नॉट, इट्स अ रिसर्च यूनिवर्सिटी, थिंक टैंक, what the atmosphere, the water side. I just put in a small communication to all the state that I'd like to build a university. Trust me, there is not a single state which has not come forward. Some state has created the land on the river side, say you come and build here. This never used to happen. I never used to see for the industry, all states are coming forward. They want to come to your house, what you want to build, they want to support financial institutions. See the stock market. The world is talking about our stock market. It is amazing how, with the governance, the kind of listings are happening. These are the sign how we'll move forward.
जो आत्मनिर्भरता की बात है, वैसे भारत के स्टॉक मार्केट ने सबसे पहले दिखा दिया। FIIs may look the other way, but Indian investors have come in with a wall of money to keep the markets up at new highs today as well.
अभी तो कुछ आया ही नहीं है. It's a very important. The people who are big must be very big because they can do the big thing. Then other startup join with them. That's very, very important. Big work, big things has to be. Earlier the government company used to do. Now the world over, all over the world, people want to come. They want more comfort, but it's very important. The local people, local big companies, partnership with them, what is happening. And I can see, having a little time, I can give you even a 1 year time. You see what happened in 1 year time. How everything what you are looking today, question mark, challenging, where to go, door will open up. ये डोर खुलते जाएंगे।
आप ज्यादातर काफी टाइम लंदन में स्पेंड करते हैं। व्हाट इज द कॉन्वर्सेशन अराउंड इंडिया राइट नाउ एज अ ग्रोथ स्टोरी दैट यू आर हियरिंग व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग टू अ होल वैरायटी ऑफ पीपल, वेदर दे ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टर्स, other conglomerates?
Everybody wants to come because here is the consumption, the kind of demand. People are little uncomfortable or they not clarity how to do business here, how many hurdles they have to cross. Now the technology is coming, all self-certification is coming. Everybody is interested, whether it's a technology people, whether it's resources people, whether it's a car manufacturer, infrastructure, hospitality. Everybody wants to bring thousands of hotels here. Anything you talk about, people want to come. But they are understanding, government is also coming forward, that saying that we have a transparency, you don't have to go through the bureaucracy, and they all are aligned. And that's the sign. The day it will happen, more and more comfort will happen because it's a stable country. This is a stable country. If you see our regime is for 10 years, 5 years, they are there. That's what people looking for. They're looking young population, cheaper labor, looking the consumption, looking the. I go to Spain. 5 months that country is closed. The only 90% of the people they are not there. This is India is the country where 12 months we can work. We have the atmosphere to work.
Sir, as we wrap this conversation, आपने एक लाइन सिर्फ गाई है, and people, if you don't know what a good singer Anil ji is, नहीं, आप बहुत अच्छी आवाज है. So you have to wrap up with some song for us, a few lines on what really describes the mood you see right now in the country?
मैं तो लंदन में ही बोलता हूँ, मैं तो, जिस देश में गंगा बहती है, जिस देश में गंगा बहती है, होठों पे सच्चाई रहती है, होठों पे सच्चाई रहती है, जिस देश में गंगा बहती है। तमन्ना जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much. A big round of applause for Anil Agarwal. Keeping it simple, keeping it honest, keeping it from the heart. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Tamanna ji. Thank you, all the best.
Go.